Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I'm making another video regarding my Tesla Y mod. I can see a lot of Tesla Y owners can relate to this, is because if you order the white interior, I'm sure a lot of people did, because of the glare it's hard to see the side mirror. This white interior is so bright during the day. See, you can see the glare that is blocking the side mirror. That white is this, see? You see my hand? So when the sun is shining down, you cannot see the side mirrors. The side white trim doesn't bother as much. And when you're backing or when you're parallel parking, it's very hard to maneuver because of lack of visibility on both windows. It's a nice example there. See, that's the dashboard. So I was doing some research and I got the dashboard cover. This is the same brand that I used for matte screen protector. Very good company, and they make quality products, so hopefully this is nice one too. So it comes with a two-piece carbon fiber cover. It's a matte, so it is anti-fingerprint, anti-smudge, anti-glare, and that's the real reason why I decided to cover it up, the white dashboard. Even though I love the white dashboard, but I think there's a design flaw. And it's very easy install. You take out that double-sided tape, and it's the 3M, so it's super sticky. And at the end, see, this is not just a cover on the top, but it wraps around. It's nice to the touch. So this is a high quality material. It's made of ABS plastic, high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, and very durable. Also, it's waterproof and resistant to UV radiation. That's awesome. Like I mentioned, this is anti-fingerprint and anti-glare. Anti-glare is 90% why I bought this, and I researched what to put, and carbon fiber just works well. And also, if you have the wood, because you have the black interior, it's great for protecting the wood on your dash from fading or cracking over years. And if you don't like it, you can always take this off, you know. It's an easy installation, and also this prevents from scratches. But I got it for the glare, to get rid of all the oils and the dirt, and wipe it off using a microfiber towel. Okay, so this is it right here. So start from here. While pressing on it, slowly attach it like this. Almost no gap. They just measured it perfectly. Okay, so I removed one side. This is the final step. That's it. You cannot go back. So work from the corner and just keep applying pressure left to right. So I'm pushing from this side already. Okay. So I'm pushing it. Wow. So I'm not gonna get that glare. Immediately, there's no glare. See? Right there. Earlier you saw the white strip going down. Now you don't see anything. And it's very nice quality. The fit and finish is amazing. And the doorway. Nice fit. Oh, by the way, I love that white accent on the corner. I mean, they sell those to cover that to carbon fiber, but I like that because, you know, I have a white interior. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.